In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online step by step. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it, so your bank deposits match perfectly and your books stay clean and organized. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Whenever you receive money from a customer, whether it's paying an invoice or making an immediate purchase, you don't always want to send it straight to your bank account in QuickBooks. Instead, you'll first route it through undeposited funds. Think of undeposited funds as a temporary holding area that lets you group multiple customer payments into a single deposit that matches what your bank actually shows. To record a new customer payment, go to the top left of your screen and click the plus New button. This is where you create most of your transactions in QuickBooks, including invoices, expenses, and in this case, customer payments. Next, choose the correct form based on how you got paid. If the customer is paying an existing invoice, click Receive Payment. If the customer paid you on the spot and there was no prior invoice, choose Sales Receipt. This distinction helps QuickBooks keep your open invoices accurate while still recording all your income properly. On the form that opens, select your customer from the drop-down menu. It's important to pick the right customer so the payment is tied to the correct account history and any outstanding invoices for that customer show up. Now, enter the payment details. For a payment on an invoice, confirm the amount you received and select which invoice or invoices this payment is covering. If it's a sales receipt, just enter the total amount the customer paid you. Take a moment to double-check the amount, date, and payment method, because this is what will flow into your deposit later. Here's the key part. In the deposit to drop-down, make sure you choose undeposited funds. This step is what tells QuickBooks, hold this money here until I'm ready to group it into a bank deposit. If you skip this and send it directly to a bank account instead, your recorded deposits may not match the lump sum deposits that appear on your bank statement. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. The payment is now stored in undeposited funds, waiting to be combined with other payments when you record the actual bank deposit, keeping your accounting accurate and your reconciliations much smoother.